Battalion 1, Engine 11, Engine 8, Engine 3, Navy Engine 31, Ladder 11, Ladder 8, Fire Squad 3, Rescue 12, 14, 8, 1420R, 1425, 827R, Safety 1, EMS. Battalion Group Zone 14, 8, TAC 4, and EMS 3 report of an aircraft accident, 900 South Bird Neck Road, 900 South Bird Neck Road, 9 points L Lincoln 8-4, 1207.
Battalion 1 dispatcher.
Battalion 1.
We have you on North Bird Neck Road, not South Bird Neck Road. Yeah, heavy smoke in the area. Our arrival.
Yeah, well, we're getting further reports that they may have hit an apartment complex at 1001 Fleming Circle.
That's what I copied too on my MDT. Yeah, that heavy smoke in the area.
Assign EMS 6 to the case.
EMS 5 let's get a medical tax.
Timber, let's take
That's 22. What was that address again?
1001 Fleming Circle, Mayfair Muse Apartments off Bird Neck Road.
Okay. I'll be responding.
Timber, we can use EMS.
Scene, Bird Neck and Fleming have an apartment complex heavily involved with fire, heavy smoke showing. We're going to be staging on Bird Neck Road.
Timber 410.
Battalion 2, dispatcher responding on first one. Dispatcher EMS 3, I'll be responding.
1420 dispatch, do we have a medical tax yet?
Use medical tac channel 3.
Dispatcher EMS 5.
EMS 5.
Alright, any request for any medical services or TAC channels will go through EMS 5 or EMS 6 or EMS 22 from this point on, please.
Timber EMS 5. We have EMS, first we have fire on tac channel 3. Why don't you take tac channel 4? Zone 8, dispatch on Monroe. Timber Zone 8.
Dispatcher 2122,
2122 at the hospital.
Car 8 to dispatcher.
Car 8.
Car 8's in command with Battalion
10-4,
1.
1211.
10-4, Fleming, dead end hydrant. Gotcha. That's right, get ready for a defensive operation. Ladder 11 on your arrival, have you get a set up at 6. Engine 11, I got 2 units going, two complete buildings on fire. 10-4, ladders in front of us. We're turning on Fleming right now. Okay, I copy. Ladder 11. Ladder 8. Come back. Go around and pick up this second building on fire.
Engine 14 to command.
Confirming 1 jet in the building, 3 units on fire. Respond to third alarm and have that third alarm go to TAC 5 and all of my TAC 5 units.
Copy, 1 jet in the building, third alarm. Use TAC 5, 1214.
Bird Neck Road Command, Battalion 4 on fire command.
This is Battalion 4, go ahead on Bird Neck.
Chief, do you have the second alarm units on TAC 4 right now?
Okay, Chief, the initial TAC channel was 4. She has not pushed out the second alarm yet, but we'll go to 5 if that's what you need.
Battalion 4, go to TAC 5. I'll raise you there and I'll tell you where to go.
Battalion 4, Battalion 3, Engine 12, Engine 21, Engine 5, Ladder 21, Engine 16P, 1720R, 921R, 1922R, Zone 16, third alarm, 900 South Bird Neck Road, 900 South Bird Neck Road, TAC channel 5 assigned, 1215.
Okay, copy. Thanks for looking for those guys now. See, where would you like us to come? Stay on Bird Neck Road. 11 in command.
You need to shut down this other lane coming southbound.
Hang on, let us know.
1720 on tac 7.
Okay, take you to 24th Street near Potty Branch. There's some good spots for
you to get some heavy water back there, and then let me know to get you outside, and I'll get my third alarm signed up for that.
Okay.
Car 2 to command.
This is car 8 on tax 5. Go ahead.
Okay, you got an armed truck right now, Integrity Way. This is number 7, Mike.
Command, copy, Chief, thank you. Chief, our primary command post is set up right now off of Bird Neck Road where ladder 8 is.
Okay, I copy.
Through the fences on the back side of the building and come into the complex and start firefighting operations. Ladder 8 driver, bring your rig into the complex. I'm going to position you here on Fleming. Bird Neck Road command to dispatch. Bird Neck Road command. Can you guys understand how that ARF truck reported tax channel 5? You were broken, repeat.
Find the pilots. Alright, supposedly there was 2 shoots. Yeah. So if you coordinate with police trying to find the pilots and then get them treated, let me know if we do.
Okay, I will.
1-6 to EMS 6. I heard on fire on TAC 3 that they have the pilot located behind one building up there.
Medical command, I'm with one of the fire. They know where the pilot is. We're trying to find them.
Unit, calling command, go ahead. 14, you want us to work our way to 24th Street? We're backed up in traffic. 24th Street, you can go ahead and stage on Bird Neck Road, bring your crew forward. Right now, nobody's here. I got Engine 21, Ladder 21, and Ladder 16 on the tax channel so far. Okay, I'm assigning you Navy Engine 31 and the ARF truck. It has a big 7. The ARF truck has a big 7 on it. They're coming to you right now. You should see them to the back side of the apartment complex.
Okay. Hey, Mike, just tell them to come back here. I might 4 feet. I'm going to look around and see where we can put some units if we need be.
Okay, George, you can see a real good access. They came off 24th Street. You have very good access to the back of this apartment complex on the 24th, their Putney branch. Be a good place to set up in the ARF.
Okay, I'm trying to get the road shut down and everybody out of the parking lot so we can do that right now.
Okay, I got police assistance right now. I'll tell them to go there and help you out, okay?
Yes, sir. Tell them to go ahead and shut down 24th Street and probably Archer, wherever it is, and here. Just go ahead and get out because there's a long line of traffic. All right, Tag 4 copies Engine 5 also on the channel.
Dispatch, we have the F-Star CO promotion unit to represent the command post on Bird Neck Road.
Fred truck here at the command center, and I'll show you that we're going to escort you with one of the police officers where the pilot is. Make that, please. Fred truck here at the command center, and I'll show you that we're going to escort you with one of the police officers where the pilot is. Make that, please.
Copy. EMS Brigade 4, where do you want them to go?
Car 1 dispatch, I'm on scene. Car 1, 10-4. 12-23.
Oh, EMS personnel respond directly to a station, man an ambulance, and contact EMS 7, 12-23 hours.
24th Division to command.
Go ahead, Division 4.
All right, I've got ladder 11. I'm getting 31 to give me a supply line through from 24th Street to start hitting this. I've got a fully involved apartment with the jet involved as well. We've got police searching the 1,000 apartment. They say it's all clear.
Roger, I copy. Engine 31 supply line 11 from 24th Street. You're doing a search. I realize that building's well involved out there. Yes, sir.
That's correct. As soon as you can, I could use a couple companies over here.
Squad 10 to command, we're arriving on the scene.
Okay, I copy. Bring your crew forward to the command post. Division 4, can you go to TAC 5, please, sir?
Coming up on the southbound side, there's a call. Are we going to be able to get through on southbound or should we go Oceana cut across the back?
24th Street to Battalion 4.
Command at 61. This is Car 8 calling Car 7 on TAC channel 5. Is Hudson, you on 5?
That's correct. I'm on 24th Street. I've got ladder 11 over here. I'm getting the 31 for the Navy to supply them through the fence. I've got Battalion 4 over here with me as well.
Operations here, 24th Street Division. 24th Street Division on TAC channel 7. 5. Track channel 5.
Ladder 16 to Battalion 4. We are on scene at Ferdinand and 24th Street.
I think you want to send in engine 8A now to assess that fuel on this. Tell me your third alarm assignment is. Third alarm.
Copy. How many units are on the third alarm?
Community dispatcher, who is your third alarm unit? Who's you assigned?
Therefore, there appears to have been some problems with the second alarm. When the third alarm went out, it has engines 12, 21, 5, ladder 21, engine 16, rescue 1620, 921, 1922, and 6.
Okay, copy that, dispatcher. Go ahead and respond Virginia Power for power lines down. And there should be a third alarm assignment on top of that, dispatcher. Command to Car 5.
Battalion 2 to command, go ahead. Where is it?
Okay, review who is it. Third, I need a true third alarm. A true third alarm assigned to this incident.
Okay, copy.
To Division 24, 24th Street Division.
This Division 24, go ahead.
Okay, I have a squad company here. Do you need them on 24th Street Division, or do you want them here on the Alpha side?
I'll take them over here.
Okay. Operation, all units operating the fire scene need to be on air. All units on air due to the aircraft.
This is Battalion 4 calling the engine coming up on 24th Street. Engine 21. Okay, engine 21, I need you to supply the hydrant that engine 16 laid at. You can see where it goes on. Ladder 21, go on by and take the left into that parking lot. We'll get you set up there if need be.
Ops to 24th Street Division.
This is 24th Division, go ahead. Relocate ladder 9 to company 16. Hey, ladder 16, if you can get in, come on up on that parking lot right here and pull around so you can sit up.
Copy it. Second pilot on Marabou Drive now, and you're on the hydrant.
Correct. If we can get a hydrant truck for some pressure, we did a long way, and I'm going to get you an address for the other pilot.
Okay, I need to condition to the pilot and repeat your first part of the transmission, Justin.
Okay, if possible, can we get another truck for the hydrant on Marabou? And I'm going to get you an address and condition of the pilot.
Okay. Give me the condition of the pilot, I'll get you a truck to get on the hydrant on Marabou for you. Fire squad 3 to 12. Charge the guard left.
Fire squad 3, repeat.
I need engine 12 to charge the guard left. Engine 12, charge the guard left. Copy that.
Engine 11A to ladder 8 bucket.
10-4, 24th Street side. Can we access that from the ocean front area?
I would think that'd be the best way to access it.
Engine 21, Division 24.
Go ahead, engine 21.
We're at the 5-inch to supply ladder. Still want to continue to supply ladder 16.
Where is ladder 16 stage?
Operations to 24th Street Division.
Go ahead.
Engine 5B, engine 20, engine 17, ladder 9. Rescue 12, 14, 8, 3, 1426R, 523P. The fourth alarm aircraft South Bird Deck Road, attack channel 6, 1234.
Medical command.
Medical, go ahead.
I'm on scene. We're behind engine 24, engine 14. Where do you want us?
I need you guys to come northbound down Bird Neck, and you'll see where the ambulance is. I want you to pull up in front of another ambulance.
Engine 21A, 21D, charge the 5-inch, 911's ready. Fire, engine 31 and 24th Street Command.
Go ahead, Navy 31.
I got myself and my crash truck on 24th Street. Where do you need us?
Does medical go in?
All right. Once you verify that the pilot's name is Go Dixon, okay, Bill Go Dixon. The other one is at 539 Nighthawk Circle.
That fourth alarm, what ladder do you assign?
I'm going to have them come around us and try to get
Division A copy. 1, 2, 3, primers, all clear.
So engine 1 and ladder 1. Let's replace 19 with engine 1. And let's replace ladder 9 with the ladder 1 and send them to the fire, to the aircraft incident.
Car 3 attached.
Car 3.
Can you give me the attack channel for the second alarm unit?
Okay, you want to switch to 6 or 7?
Switch to attack channel 7 for the medical.
Was that unit 02, ladder, or engine?
Engine 02, that's correct. Chief, you have engine 4.
Copy, engine 4, responding 26 in order. Hey, Chief, was I just copying the resources assigned to you? Is that correct?
Correct. Ladder 9, engine 20, engine 17. I'm on site Delta now looking at what other crew I have.
Okay, Delta Division, I copy that. We have moved on the 5-inch. If they approach, they'll be able to get back to you and start putting fire out.
Keen operations.
Might be some confusion as to who's Delta. I'm maintaining Delta. I don't know who you were speaking to there.
Yeah, operations, Chief Keen. Dennis Keen should be Delta Division, 10-4.
Engine 20 on scene, stage to 24, headed to Bird Neck.
Operations 2, engine 20, report to Delta Division, Chief Keen by radio. He'll be in assignment.
Copy, Delta Division, that will be channel 6.
Yes. Engine proper attack channel, report to Delta Division on this radio.
Copy, engine 20 to Delta Division.
Staging operations. I have ladder 9 here staging. You want me to sign them to Delta 2?
Ladder 9, Battalion 1. Correction, Battalion 9 is Battalion 1. Battalion 1, Chief Travis.
Get it staging. Go ahead.
Okay, you're staging. Ladder 9, I need them to, or the first in engine, one of your crews, I need them to go to engine 12 on Marabou Lane, stretch a 3-inch line or 2.5-inch line through the fence and over on the Division D. Meet Chief Keen.
Okay, that'll be engine 20's assignment. Engine 20, you copy?